What's good, everybody? Dre Lamar back at it with another one, man. If this your first time coming to the channel, smash the like and hit that subscribe button for more of this Mustang GT content. But today's video, we can go ahead and add this red Catchcan to this engine bay. Before we get to that though, check out the new gear, man. Hit me up, man. Let me know if you like the new gear. But let's go ahead and get to this Catchcan install. It's gonna be quick and easy, so I don't want to hold y'all up too long. I know y'all got a short attention span, so let's get it. First things first, I gotta find somewhere to mount this bad boy up. Make that work. All right, I found somewhere to mount it on that. Put it on this screw. Got just enough holes on the ground. We could Now that we have it all mounted up now, all we gotta do is run the lines. I'm gonna run one from there and maybe hook the other one up to that tube right here. This tube goes over there to that. Got it all mounted up. As you see, this here holes I'm gonna need to trim. Super long, so I ran it under here, but it's only coming to right here. I basically just need to cut it so it'll come from there to here. This line, I took the stock line, the hard part, plastic, coming from this PCV. It usually runs across here and goes in here. I turned it sideways, that way I can use the stock one, and I just ran the holes right here. Mounted it up to this bolt, and snuggy. A couple of days later, a few hundred miles, it did something. Not that much oil, but a little something. So let's see, let me rotate and let you see what's going on.